channel. If we are new to one another, my name is Jamie. Now, I'm gonna be honest here and say that Christmas itself is not my cup of tea. Personally, I find that there's so much stress behind it, not only trying to find the perfect gift, but also being able to afford them. Now, also, don't get me wrong, I do like the glitter, the balls, the bows, and the songs, but it's the gifts themselves that get so stressful. So personally, I do really enjoy watching videos like these because they give me so many ideas. So whether it's for you, someone else, one of those Santa swaps, who likes doing those? But if you are doing one of those and you need any last minute ideas, I'm sure you could still snag a couple through Amazon. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we are going to be going through some of these products quite swiftly, but rest assured, I do have many in-depth videos either linked above or below. So if you are interested in more information on any of these products, be sure to check out one of those two locations. And I know what you might be thinking. No, we're not just going through Apple products or accessories here, because the first thing we're going to review and talk about is the side-by-side Tech Power Pack pouch. Now, I know that name is quite the mouthful, but that's because this tech pouch could really pack so many items. So many, in fact, that a lot of the items that we're going to be discussing and reviewing today are already inside this tech pouch. Now, thank goodness things are getting a little bit more back to normal because I leave this guy stocked with dongles, cords, whatever I might need for a particularly long day. And in fact, I just leave it stocked so that way I don't have to worry about whether I'm forgetting something when I'm leaving the house. And the expandable fabric really allows you to pack so many items. And with mobile work picking up here in the US, this is great for someone who does work from various locations. So needless to say, you could really pack a lot in this Power Pack pouch. And now, speaking of stuff, I really do like to use this pouch as a carrying case for my Nintendo Switch. And I know the Nintendo Switch is not a budget item, but particularly around the holiday season, you might be able to find a lot of great games that might be on sale. Now, currently, my game recommendations for a Nintendo Switch are the two Pokemon remakes, Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. And of course, I already love Pokemon, but this is great for anyone who's never played Pokemon, and even better if you did end up playing those original two games. So that's pretty much all I have to say on that. I do recommend getting anyone into Pokemon if they're not already, but really any Nintendo Switch game will make that Switch owner happy. But the one accessory I still recommend for the Nintendo Switch is this Bluetooth headphone adapter. So even the new Nintendo Switch that was just released, I believe in October, still does not have the ability to pair Bluetooth headphones with your device. But with this little dongle here, you're able to pair AirPods or any other wireless Bluetooth headphones so that you're not disturbing those people around you and you're not tethered down by a cord. Again, I have a more in-depth video of how to set it up, how to use it, what it is, linked down below. Now, my Manfrotto Tripod here has gotten so much use over the past year. This phone attachment here that's right on top is easily removable, so you are even able to put a full-size camera on here. The grip itself is so smooth and in the hands, and with the fluid head, you are able to adjust the viewing angles as well as your grip. And speaking of fluid head, it really is great to adjust your camera because it really does stay and lock in place. I also use this a lot when I'm using Apple Fitness Plus, so I can have great viewing angles to see the instructors who are leading the workouts. Now, as I promised, I'm not going to be over-referencing Apple products, but this one here does deserve a spot in the lineup. The Apple AirTags were released this year, and when it comes to Apple products, you can't really call them budget items, but one AirTag alone just costs $29, and what's super cool is that you could also customize them for no extra charge. Now, as far as customizations go, you could add initials, name if it's short, or several emojis to choose from. Apple also offers a variety of accessories. Now, these accessories are going to cost you more than the AirTag itself, but we're not going there in this video, but they're there for you to choose from if you wish. So yeah, aside from being a smart tracker, there's really not too much to say about this product. The user will need an iPhone in order to pair it and set it up, but as far as the pairing process, it's super easy. But if you would like more information on it, again, I do have a video linked down below about more information on this product if this is one you are looking to pick up. All right, and for the next one here, we will be diving into my little tech pouch here. Let's go ahead and find it. It is a charging bank, and charging banks do come in all sorts of different sizes, shapes, as well as prices. But my preferred charging bank is the one here by Anker. And even though I do have the MagSafe wireless charger, this guy is able to charge way more items than just your smartphone. But if we are just talking smartphones, this is able to charge your smartphone up to 2 times. But I personally like to use this guy to charge my iPad as well as my Nintendo Switch, because it does have a USB-A as well as USB-C output. So you could even charge 2 items at the same time. And even though I really do enjoy the one here from Anker, there are so many out there for you to choose from. Anyone could benefit from a portable charging bank if they don't already have one. And on those lines of benefits for anyone could personally benefit from any extra external storage device, whether it be an SSD card, flash drive, SSD drive. Anyone can benefit from storing their files in extra external places, because nowadays storage is so expensive to keep it internally, whether it be on your phone, computer, or tablet. So let me show you the ones that I recommend for you to use. And of course, I house them in my tech pouch. Now again, it doesn't have to be necessarily items that I am showcasing, but again, the general premise of its purpose. So portable SSD drives are super handy. Depending on what storage size you do decide to get, you might fall out of that budget range, but they really are a really good investment. The one I got here is from SanDisk, and I really do like it. It has this nice little rubbery feel. It is pretty durable. You could attach it to a keychain or a backpack, so that's super handy and nifty, but I just keep it right on here in my tech pouch. What else do I have for storage? So yeah, SSD cards, super handy if you do know someone who does photo, video. Again, depending on the storage size, you might start falling out of the budget range, but any little thing could help, especially when it comes to storing video files, photo files, because they are getting quite large and nowadays with all of this new technology. And then as far as flash drives, I really do love, and I've been using it for years, is again, it's from SanDisk, but this flash drive here, again, doesn't really so matter how much storage is in it. I believe it's 128 gigabytes, but what's really cool about this guy, not just that it's so tiny and small, is that it produces data through both ends. And who doesn't want to be produced through both ends? So you have USB-A from one side. So if you do have an older legacy computer or older legacy ports, you'll be good to go. Or you have a USB-A through the other end, which is a lot more common nowadays, even on iPads and computers. And I do keep an AirTag in here because I don't want to lose any of these items that I have in this pouch. Now this table is really filling up, but for these next items, I'm just gonna clump them all in together for one accessory, and they make really great desk accessories. Again, whether it's for a coworker or again, one of those Santa swaps, these make great gifts. I'll start with the simplest one first, and they're just these fancy little leather coasters from Grove-Main. I really do love them. They come in a pack of 4. I seem to have lost one, but they do come in a pack of 4. Again, nice little leather. There's the cork in the back. They've been very durable for me. I've had them for a couple of years. You can't find too many budget items in the Grove-Main site, but I really do like their products, so I thought these guys deserved their little place in this video. But speaking of coasters, coffee, things like that, we do have this mug warmer. Again, not too much explanation necessary, but you just place it at your desk. You turn it on if you want it on, and it knows whether there's a cup on your mug warmer based on the weight. So you just place it on top, keeps your coffee, tea, milk warm. It doesn't heat it up, but it does just maintain its regular temperature, and it's really great. And then lastly, we have this portable USB-C wireless little desk fan. So it's super cool. It's detachable. You attach it only if you want to charge it, but it will blow out fresh air even if it's not attached. It does charge via USB-A port, so whether it's through an outlet or you could connect it straight to your computer. Super great. There's different little functionalities as far as fan speed. Ooh. Yes, I've done this before. It really does give you nice, cool air. It's so nice. There is this little light here to indicate whether it's charged or not charged. And if it's not charged, of course, you could use your Anker portable charger to charge that thing up. And there you have it. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. I hope this gave you some ideas, again, whether it's for that coworker, those Santa swaps, or maybe just for yourself. A lot of these items you can pick up on Amazon, so with that Prime shipping, it's never too late. Just be sure to use those links down in the description to help support the channel, support myself. And another thing that helps is dropping a comment down below. And while you're down there, don't forget that like button, subscribe if you're not already. And until next time, see ya.